Learn about wire keys. 2 sockets is for connecting fog lamps. 2 wires, red and black, near fuse box, supply power to the fog lamps. 2 wires, red cable and black cable, near switch, supply power to the switch. Wiring installation. These 2 wires shall be connected to the battery. Find the battery in your car first. Then connect red cable to the positive, black cable to the negative. Can test the lamp works or not here. Take the switch down and get these wires into the driving room, generally via this position. Then find the position light positive in the driving room. Connect the red cable to position light positive. Connect the black cable to the negative. Manual parts in the car. Different cars with different battery or wire place. This video is for reference only. Please proceed based on actual conditions. Install switch. Prepare a 20 mm diameter drill. Make a hole on the dashboard at any space place as you like. Put the switch in the hole and connect the wire with switch. Pay attention. Ensure the wires are connected in this order. Then testing. Install fog lamp. Connect the fog lamp and testing. No problem. Then fix the fog lamps on the front bumper.